If you are experiencing a transfer pending issue with your Mastercard, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check transaction status. Log into your online banking or mobile app to view the status of the transaction. Sometimes pending transfers can take time to process, and checking the status can provide clarity. Step 2. Verify account details. Ensure that the account details you entered for the transfer are correct. Double-check the recipient's information, including the account number and routing number, to avoid any errors. Step 3. Contact your bank. If the transaction remains pending for an extended period, contact your bank's customer service. They can provide specific information about the transfer and help identify any issues. Step 4. Review transfer limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the HR.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for processing. If everything appears correct and you have contacted your bank, it may simply be a matter of waiting. Transfers can take several business days to process, especially if they are made on weekends or holidays. In conclusion, resolving a transfer pending issue involves checking transaction status, verifying account details, contacting your bank, reviewing transfer limits, and being patient as the transfer processes.